Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another tutorial video. And this time around, I'm going to show you guys the installation process of the recently released Ubuntu 19.04. Now, before we get into it, I just want to give you a disclaimer. The installation process is pretty much not changed. So if you've seen me install any other version of Ubuntu in the last few years, chances are it's going to be the exact same experience, but just in case you haven't seen the installation process in Ubuntu or you want to see what it looks like in 19.04, well, this is the video for you, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So now with the camera switched over here to my laptop, I've already gone over and created my bootable flash drive, and I am actually at the boot menu of my laptop right now. If you don't already know how to create a bootable flash drive, I have a video on my channel already that you can check out that will show you that process. It's actually pretty easy to do with a tool called Etcher, and again, the video is already on my channel. So here on my laptop, I'm going to choose the second option, which in my case is my flash drive, which I've already flashed with Ubuntu 19.04, so I'll press enter. And I'm just going to choose the first option, try Ubuntu without installing. And yes, we are going to install it. However, I definitely want to try out my hardware first. So we'll go ahead and check out the live mode, and then I'll show you the installation after that. So here we have the boot menu coming up. So we're about to start. All right, so here we are on the main desktop of Ubuntu 19.04. So what you can do at this point is just actually use it. Even though we've booted from the installation media and we haven't actually installed it, we can use it as if it was installed. We can connect to a network, we can open a web browser, we can do all those things to make sure that it's going to work on our machine, which we should do first before we wipe our drive. We just want to make sure that everything is compatible. So in the upper right hand corner, you have an option here. It says Wi-Fi not connected, but if I select a network, you're going to see basically some wireless networks there that I could connect to. So I'll go ahead and connect to mine. And you'll see the process there. So go ahead and open up Firefox and just test out the networking. And then I'll just go to learnlinux.tv just to show you that it is working. And there we go. There's my site. So you basically just want to make sure that you're able to get into the internet, browse some websites, maybe check out some videos, make sure audio works, that kind of thing. And then when you feel comfortable with installing it, just double click on this icon right here. Install Ubuntu 19.04, and that'll bring up the installer. So at the first screen, we're going to select our language. I'm just going to leave mine as the default and click continue. And then we could choose our keyboard layout. It defaults in my case to US English. If yours is something else though, you can change that here. And you can also type in that box right there just to make sure that everything is working. At the next screen, we have an option. We could do normal or minimal. Now, a normal installation basically gives you some extra packages and applications that will be useful. And the minimal installation is more so for those of you that prefer to install only the applications that you wish. You're still going to get a decent number of applications either way, so it's up to you. It doesn't make that big of a difference. But in my case, I'll just leave it as normal. Then we have the option of downloading updates while we install Ubuntu. There's probably no reason not to do that. And we also have an option to install third-party software. And I recommend you guys check that. Just make sure that your hardware works properly, just in case you need any proprietary drivers or codecs. I'm going to uncheck it in my case because that's just going to make the recording a little bit longer. It just gives it more stuff to download. And continue. So at this screen, it is going to give you an option to install Ubuntu alongside your current operating system or wipe the drive and start fresh. In my case, I was already testing this release on this laptop, so it's basically giving me an option to install Ubuntu 19.04 alongside Ubuntu 19.04. In your case, though, it'd probably say something like Windows or whatever your current Linux distribution is. But in this video, we're doing a full clean install, so I'm actually going to erase the disk, and this will erase absolutely everything, so just keep that in mind. So I'll click Install Now to get it started. And we'll get one last confirmation, and after this it's actually going to erase the drive, but I'm sure I want to continue, so I'll hit continue. Now at this screen, it gives you an opportunity to choose your location. So you just basically click the map to put the little pointer here as close to your location as you can. That'll set your time zone and whatnot. So I'll click continue. And then I'll put in my information here. So basically, once your name, you name your computer, that's what it shows up as on the network, and then you create a password. So I'll do that, and that password will be used to log into your computer and also for anything that needs root privileges or special permissions. But I'll go ahead and click continue. And at this point, it's actually installing. So I'll go ahead and let this continue. I'll fast forward through this, and I will be back once it's finished. And here we are, installation is finished. So I'll click restart now, and we'll see if we were successful. Go ahead and remove the flash drive and press enter. And here we are. We are at the desktop of Ubuntu 19.04, fresh from our installation. So there you go. That was the installation procedure for Ubuntu 19.04. I have a review coming soon if it's not already up on my channel, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you there. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to help me out, go ahead and check out the links in the description below, and there you'll find a link to purchase my latest book, Mastering Ubuntu Server, 2nd edition. You'll also find a link to my Patreon page, as well as my Amazon store, which includes a listing of Linux-compatible hardware that I've tested personally. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.